Hi guys, we will now learn about the concept of using optional parameters in C# programming. The way this program has been programmed this far is that you can see that there is a calculate method which takes two parameters, and after receiving the two parameters it simply multiplies them to calculate the area. So from the main method, if I make a call to calculate and I provide the two values, the program will going to work just fine. So let me run it so that you could see that the program behaves quite normally, the way we would expect the program to behave, and it does performs the basic multiplication and provides us with the answer. However, how will this program behave if I drop one of the parameters? So the moment I do that, the program starts complaining that I have not provided enough parameters to fulfill the request. This is exactly where the concept of optional parameters comes into place. What optional parameters are is that if the caller does not provide a value for the parameter, then the parameter will default to that value that is given to the parameter right in the declaration statement. For example, if I say if the user calls a calculate method but provides only the value for width and does not provide the value for height, then make height equals to 1.5. Notice the moment I wrote that, the error went away from line number 10. Now the program is programmed such that it will now multiply 4.5 and 1.5. Let's run this program to test to see that the program really works. And as you can see, the program does works as it multiplies 1.5 with 4.5. So this is called using optional parameters. However, if I shift this to the first parameter, now this will error out again because I have provided a single value. The first value will only override the first parameter. So instead of 1.5, width will be 4.5. However, height, which doesn't has and equals to a value to make it an optional parameter, still requires a value from the caller. Until and unless I say, okay, height, you are default to 1. So now the error goes away. Now the program will going to work in two different ways. I could call the calculate method without providing any parameters. Even in that case, the program will work just fine. It will simply default to the values 1.5 and 1, and it will going to give me an output of 1.5 times 1, which is 1.5, as you can see in the output. So using optional parameters is a great feature that is introduced in C# programming. Catch you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good day.